Want to make money with AI? Stop learning random tools. These 5 AI skills are actually paying people right now. Some are making $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Let me show you exactly what to learn. First, prompt engineering. This sounds fancy, but it's simple. You learn how to talk to AI to get exactly what you want. Companies are paying $75 to $150 per hour for this skill. Why? Because most people get terrible results from ChatGPT and Claude. But if you know how to write the right prompts, you become incredibly valuable. Start practicing today. Take any task and figure out the perfect prompt to solve it. Document what works. That's your portfolio. Second, AI automation. Businesses want to automate repetitive tasks using AI. Learn tools like Make.com, Zapier, or N8N. Connect AI to their email, calendar, customer service, social media. A simple automation that saves a business 10 hours per week. They'll pay you $2,000 to $5,000 to build it, and it might only take you a few hours. This is one of the highest paying AI skills right now because businesses are desperate to cut costs and save time. Third, AI content creation. I'm not talking about spamming AI-generated junk. I'm talking about using AI as a tool to create professional content fast. Learn to create YouTube videos, social media posts, blog articles, marketing copy using AI, but add your expertise. Edit, refine, make it human. Businesses and creators will pay you $500 to $3,000 per month to manage their content with AI. The key? Quality over quantity. Fourth, AI image and video generation. Master tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Runway, or Pika. Businesses need product images, social media graphics, ad visuals, video content. If you can generate professional-looking images, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content.